what about off-chain computation through decentralized oracles? Is that viable in this model?
Well, I think, yeah, that's last I checked, that's a state machine. And for me, it's all about generalized compute. So I've got a function. And the last time I was writing code, I had to write return.
Yep.
And I have I've got return Boolean true. If parameter is false, return true. Mm-hmm. That's my function, my lambda function or something,
yep.
right? Okay, well, I've got to take that return, and I don't want to have everybody execute that code. But I do want that message to get over to this thing that's going to take true and turn it false. Mm-hmm. What I don't want is that false to go back into the parameter of my original function, because I've got now a Mobius loop, I've got a block.
Okay.
So that's the kind of instrumentation that we need on the mainnet. Peter Robinson is a researcher at Pegasus. He's got some great papers on Archive about something he's calling pinning contracts and ephemeral sidechains. There's also lots of good companies now, as you know, working on this basic idea. You've got state channel methods. You've got obviously Plasma and Loom and other ways of doing it. Chainlink does that on an Oracle side of things. I think oracles are a special class of this case, and then Plasma and Lightning are another special class, right? If we can get message passing, then you can get even better and do things like money passing. Mm-hmm. But I think for me, it's leaping straight to the tokeny thing and not considering the generalized compute thing. It's fine. We should do that. But I'm more of a fix the internet guy, and less of a finance guy.
Yeah, I loved your comment. The idea that back in '93, it was too inefficient to use the internet for anything good. And I think we're probably in the same situation right now as well. So John, thank you for joining us.
Blockchain does not have to be, the mainnet does not have to be massively efficient if you have all of these other layers that sit at the coalface of the application. It just has to be that big, slow-moving gear that helps all the other ones time off.
All right, very cool. So John, thank you for joining us. Web3 Studio.